What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cooking Up with Chris. So today we're gonna be making us some Serrano pepper juicy lucy burgers. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with our regular turkey burger. All right, and we're just gonna start with our regular turkey burger ingredients. We got our Worcestershire, some Italian breadcrumbs, and some green onions. So we're just gonna get this old pieces of the green onions off, and we're just gonna slice up the rest. First, I'm gonna knock you out. Trash them, please. Green onions into the bowl. Gonna hit it with some Worcestershire. And we're gonna get our breadcrumbs over in there. All right, now we got that mixed up. We're gonna start forming some patties. Now that we got our patties formed, it's time for the juicy lucy portion. We gotta stuff it with some cheese. And today, I got some regular Gouda and some smoked Gouda. Let's get this cut up and we're gonna start stuffing. All right, gonna get this little rind off of here that I'm not gonna use on my burger. That's not gonna melt. Right? Alright, and then we're just gonna slice us up some cheese. No, I don't have a cheese knife. Do I have a cheese knife? No, I don't think I have a cheese knife. And then we're gonna get it portioned right. We're gonna sit it over inside the patty. Then you take your other patty right on top, and you're gonna smush these edges together, close it up in there, so that cheese melts on the inside. Last bit before we throw them in the skillet, hit these big old babies with some salt and pepper. And yes, I made these patties humongous. Let's get them babies in. I don't even know if all these will fit. I'm gonna see. They are all in. They barely in, but they in there. Let's let them babies cook. Now while them burgers cook up, we're gonna come over here into another skillet. We're gonna butter this baby down. And then we're gonna toast our buns. All right. Oh yeah, that's what you want. First batch of bread done. Skillet buttered down again. Second batch of bread in. And we're gonna get our first flip. I say first because I made them so thick, I'm probably gonna flip them 2 or 3 times. So let's see if I can get some space in there. Oh, look at that crunch. Woo. And as our burgers finish up, y'all remember that Serrano pepper jam spread from the other day? Break this baby out. Look at this butter knife pepper. Get some right onto our bread. As I told you the other day, this ain't for the faint of heart. It's gonna burn you. Give me a good bit on that. We'll wait for our patties to finish up. Alright, time to get these babies out. Humongous. One of them got a little excited. Alright, now we're gonna get our main squeeze, the chosen one. Which one we going? Let's go right here with this oversized one. Right on to here. Woo! Gonna take our Serrano pepper jam bun right over top. We're gonna serve it up with some fries. More fries. You can see that coming out already. Let's turn this baby this way and let's see what we're working with. Just eating the bone. Let's get that pull for you. Y'all ready for that? Oh yeah. Look at that. You got your nice patty. We got it cooked all the way. You got your juicy, loosey cheesy coming out. And you got your Serrano pepper jam. Ooh. Yeah, I think it's good. I do. I'm about to enjoy this. Oh yeah. That's where it's at. Should have used this patty. Had a better cheese pull. But y'all get it. Enjoy it.